Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must start by verifying what you already control. Make sure you remember your Apple ID password and confirm which devices are still signed in. These trusted devices can generate a verification code. Once done, check the trusted phone numbers tied to your account so you can request an SMS code if available. If none of those exist, prepare for account recovery. You will need recovery contact info and patience because Apple verifies identity to protect your account. When sign-in prompts for code, choose Didn't get a verification code. To see options, you can resend to a trusted number or use a trusted device to generate one manually. On an iPhone or iPad signed in, open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security, and select Get Verification Code. That's faster than SMS. If you lack both a trusted device and phone access, begin Apple account recovery. This process confirms identity and can take several days, depending on proof provided. Enter the verification code as soon as you receive it because codes time out. Then you'll complete sign-in and regain access. If you had to use account recovery, follow the instructions Apple sends, supply requested verification details, and monitor the recovery status via email or the Find My app if instructed. If recovery stalls or you see suspicious activity, contact Apple support directly, provide device serial numbers or proof of purchase, and escalate so a human can verify and help restore your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.